friends, today we will see how to add multiple contacts into Android phone from Excel worksheet. So sometimes a situation occurs when we need to add multiple contacts, more than one contacts like 500 to 1000. So in that case, uh, it is very difficult to add each contact one by one. So I have shown the steps. With that we can add multiple contacts into your Android phone. So let's start. So first step is to creating the Excel worksheet of the contacts and making CSV file. So how to create the Excel worksheet is very easy. So in that case, I have created the three fields: name, phone and company. Because my Android phone has following fields: name, phone, company, title, personal, save location. So I am using only three fields. So one thing is to note that you must match the fields of your phone that you are creating. If the fields are not matching, then there will be a problem for loading the contacts into right way. So that's why uh, match the field name that are available in your Android phone, then create the Excel worksheet. Okay, after creating the Excel worksheet, we will save it as a CSV file, not a simple saving but contacts.csv. So for this you have to select the CSV, that is a comma delimited file from save as type. Okay, now next step is creating the VCF file. So we will take the little bit information about the VCF, like VCF is a vCard file that is used to store, transport standard contact information of a person. This file directly store one or more contacts into your phone. So now we will create the VCF file. For this we will have to take the help from the Google services. So for that, just type the contacts.google.com into address bar of your browser, and then if you are login, then it will show the following window. But if you are not login, then it will ask for the login first, then show the following window. Okay, now in this case, in this window, click on the import button shown in this figure. So click on the import. It will ask for the file, CSV file. Select the CSV file after clicking on select file button. Now all the records you have made in the Excel are shown here. Now the next step is to exporting. For this you have to click on the export button. Okay, now clicking on the export button will ask you few options. You have to select the vCard for iOS contacts. So by default it is selected, so you have to select it as it is. Now click on the export button. After that, the VCF file will be created and downloaded automatically into your system as shown in the below figure. Okay, now this file you have to share where you want to create the contacts. Now you can share the file or load the contacts using sharing of this file through Bluetooth, Google Drive or WhatsApp. Now after successful storing this file, now click on that file and all the contacts will be loaded into your group, as I am showing example of first contact. Okay, so these were the easy way to store the multiple contacts into your Android phone. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more.